In this video, we were supposed to examine the facilities of Home tab of PowerPoint software. Home tab consists of 6 different sections which contains all comments of each section that are related to the title of the section, like Clipboard, Slides, Font, Paragraph, Drawing, and Editing. These are different sections of Home tab that actually each of them has its specific facility and key that we are going to examine the facilities one by one in this video. The first section of Home tab in the PowerPoint software is Clipboard. Clipboard is a part of our computer memory in which when we copy or cut information in our slide enters to this memory. And when we paste and the information from the memory part of Clipboard, and it will be pasted in the place that we want. Now I press in this small triangle next to the clipboard to open a memory page of a clipboard for us that when I copy and paste a piece of information, you see the overview of this act here. The first tool which exists here is Cut tool. That the shape of the icon look like a pair of scissors, like it makes X letter, and that's why the shortcut of this in the keyboard is Ctrl X. Well, what does Cut do? When I choose data, for example, picture, text, bar, table, or whatever, and then press Ctrl X on the keyboard or I click on the scissors icon, the information was transferred to the clipboard memory. If we cut some information, it won't exist anymore. And when I click on paste in another slide, this key with the shortcut of Ctrl V, the data will be pasted in exactly the same size and position. It won't be pasted in the middle of the slide, for example. If I choose these tree or a leaf of this tree and now I copy it with the shortcut of it is Ctrl C. Or you can use this tool and click on it once. Do you see the difference between copy and cut? When I select an object and copy it, the object transfers to the clipboard memory, but it won't delete from the origin as you can see from the slide, that it's still there. And when I paste in another slide by using this key or Ctrl V, it will exactly be pasted in that size, place, and position. There is another tool which exists in copy section is Duplicate. The thing that it does is copying the selected thing. For instance, now this slide was selected when I click on Duplicate, which the shortcut is Ctrl D. It copied the selected file. For instance, I choose this object and I duplicate it, and I will have one copy of it, or I press Ctrl D. I have a copy of that. But finally, one remained section from Clipboard is Format Painter. What is Format Painter? For instance, I have a text here which has font, size, color, and now I put a new text here and I want the font, size, and color of my new text be exactly the same as the previous text. To do this, both to be able to prevent myself from re-rendering all those formats to my new text, which will take a lot of time. To do it faster, I can select the previous text and click on my Format Painter option to be activated, and then I click once in my new text. By doing this, all the formats that my previous text was transferred to the new text. Now, in a blank slide, I do the same for shapes. Format Painter tool is not just for text. Any media that you have in this slide, it can be a photo, a shape, or whatever. And if you give it any format and you want to transfer that format to another text, picture, or whatever, you can use this tool. For example, now I put a shape here, then I change the color of this shape, or I give it a line format. I will increase this thickness and then I draw another shape. Now for transferring all the formats that I gave to this shape to another one, just select the source object. From the Home tab, select the Format Painter tool and click on the destination object or the second images. As you see, the features of first shape is transferred to the second shape. Or maybe we have a photo. I insert a photo into my slide from the Insert tab, and now I gave this photo a border and changed the color of its border, or gave a cover color to my photo, or whatever. Then I insert another picture into my slide, and I want all these features and formats that I gave to the first photo to be transferred to the second photo. I don't give all these features to my second photo from the beginning, which in this way I will lose the time. To save time, I select the first picture and then click on Format Painter from the Home tab. As you can see, a brush mark was added next to my mouse. I click on the second picture once. By this act, all the features and formats of my first picture will be transferred to the second one. And this is not just for text, it can be used in all media, even videos, to save your time and energy.
Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Masterclass. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.